Hi, my name is Michelle Smith, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about California Bioenergy skin care before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about California Bioenergy skin care is, be careful with the website you're going to buy California Bioenergy skin care, because California Bioenergy skin care is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is California Bioenergy skin care, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, California Bioenergy skin care works. California Bioenergy skin care cream for face and neck is understood to be a youth-restoring and enhancing miracle. This is as a result of its jam-choked with a powerhouse ingredients, clinically proven terribly effective as wrinkle-reducing and age-killing agents. Aside from that, the skin ingredients found in California Bioenergy don't seem to be just mere age-defiers, but in addition, serves as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances. Skin care product choice isn't an easy task. Most of time, the great numbers of anti-aging creams, serum, or moisturizers creates confusion and regret to the consumers. As a result of, at the end of the day, you realize that you only bought something that is not the proper one for your skin. California Bioenergy skincare cream has attained widespread appreciation for its exceptional performance to 1,000 patronizers. Not to question the very obvious reason, the effectiveness or potency of every product is essentially the ingredients behind it. On California Bioenergy, it is infused with really intense, however skin-friendly ingredients that have been verified to reverse skin age, delivering an outstanding repair, rejuvenation, and regeneration of cells to the skin. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with California Bioenergy skin care, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test California Bioenergy skin care for 90 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to California Bioenergy skin care work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, California Bioenergy skin care has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy California Bioenergy skin care, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that California Bioenergy skin care actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.